Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you session expired Facebook how to fix it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So basically there are two options that you can do. So the first option is simply by heading over and opening up your app store. And once you open up your app store, simply on the search bar type in Facebook, and once you tap on Facebook here, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. But still the issue hasn't been fixed, then what you can do is just simply go back and then open up your settings app, scroll down, tap on general, and inside general tap on iPhone storage. And once you inside iPhone storage, all you gotta do is scroll down and then tap on Facebook. Now here what you need to do is tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and caches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once the process is done, tap on delete app and then reinstall the app. And once that's done, go back and try again, and that will fix the issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.